All right, the perfect cheese board is right at your fingertips. We're here in the Price Chopper kitchen to show us how it's done. We got Costum Hardaway and Ashley Barnes. Guys, first off, I know that there's a special name for it, and Costum spent about the last 5 minutes trying to teach me how to pronounce it correctly. So he tried, exactly. He's got jokes too. So, but it's charcuterie.
Charcuterie. Yeah, that was the best.
That was the best one. Good. Well, we saved the best for when it counted the most. So, how do you these? I'm seeing these more and more recently. It seems like they're really kind of being like the hip in thing to do right now. Tell us basically what it is and how you kind of balance the meat and the cheeses when you're preparing your own board.
Yeah, definitely. It's a great way to entertain guests. It's a great entry meal to a dinner or a big holiday meal. But basically, it's just an assortment of meats and cheeses with a few fruit, a few spreads, a few jams here and there, but a great way to just kind of whet your palate before dinner. Okay, well, let's talk a little bit through what we got in front of us here. So we've got, I can tell, cranberries. It looks like five different types of cheese, and then a couple of different meats here. What are we rocking on this board or this plate? Yeah, so we have a few soft and hard cheeses, which is the key to any really good charcuterie board. You want to mix it up with the flavors, mix it up with the textures, and then we have a few different types of meats. So we have prosciutto, we have a coppa, we have salami. So again, try to use a lot of different types of meats, and you'll really kind of satisfy everyone's palate. What is that cheese right there? It's the moldy cheese is a good cheese. Okay. I got to admit, my cheese game is not what it should be. I'm stuck with like American Swiss, Colby Jack, Monterey Jack. I mean, if my cheese looks like that in the fridge, I'm not sure if I'm going to eat it. What is that one right there? Yeah, so you should buy it this way. Don't let it get old. But so you don't make this type of cheese? Yeah, don't make it at home. But this one is a Gorgonzola sheep and cow's milk that's aged. Take that blue cheese, that veiny look. But it's really good. I like it. I've heard of the Gorgonzola before. So, okay. Well, where can we go to get all these at Price Chopper, Ashley? Yeah, so at Price Chopper, we have a large variety of cheeses, specialty cheeses to choose from. You're definitely going to want to come into Price Chopper, find your deli, find your local deli manager. They're going to be the ones to help you. We have a variety of hard cheeses, from a cranberry chipotle, cheddar, smoked cheddar. Cranberry chipotle cheese? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Does that sound good? Right there. Oh, we have some here? Yeah. Oh, okay. And then we have our soft cheeses. We have our brie, and we have our the Grand, I'm forgetting what it's, the Grand. I feel like that one has a hard name. Yeah, but at least you're asking him. Yeah, he is my specialty. But yeah, we have a huge cheese island in most of our stores. Okay, well, good, and I'm glad. So if I tell them this is what I want, they can help me put together my own board. Absolutely. Okay, awesome. And once they get there, and you talk to those managers, and what else do we need to know about putting together these boards here? So I actually have everything you need to put together a good board. So like I said, you want to have different types of meat. This is a whole chub of salami. Is that the technical term, a chub of salami? It's called a chub, yeah. But yeah, you're going to use a lot of different types of cheeses. This is a hard cheese that we can throw on there. Oh, yes. I've been resisting the whole time to not make a cut the cheese joke. Do you want me to cut the cheese? I kind of want you to cut the cheese real quick. Can you do that? So this is a soft cheese. It's a Havarti. So I'm such a 12-year-old, and I apologize to everyone. I'm gonna cut that one. And then yeah, you just mix in some crackers on there. I have some rosemary here that I just tied with a bit of ribbon to make it a bit more festive. Okay. But the key to a really good cheese board is making it really full. So no one's ever going to eat cranberries, but they do have a lot of color. And that's always what I've seen on the pictures. I mean, there's always just jammed full of everything. Yeah. So we're going to try and get as much stuff on there as possible. All right. Well, we're running out of time here, so you keep making that here while I tell the fine people at home. They can go to mypricechopper.com for those great ideas and fresh dish recipes. And you can also find demo videos to get extra how-to help. Again, that's mypricechopper.com.